This is Dr. Loretta Seraldo, a board-certified dermatologist and author of 6 Weeks to Sensational Skin. In this clip, I'm going to discuss how to remove plantar warts. First of all, remember that a wart is something that appears as a growth, usually a little bump on the skin. I happen to have a wart on my finger, and if you can see it, it's just a little bump on the skin. But when we're talking about a plantar wart, this is always something that's located on the sole of our foot. And you need to remember that you're seeing the bump on the sole, but that the root of the wart is growing like an ice cream cone inward. So the first thing, if you'd like to try to remove a plantar wart at home, is to consider going to the drugstore and asking for 40% salicylic acid plaster. You're going to get this from the drugstore, and it's going to come as a pad of plaster. And you basically just take a scissor and cut that little plaster to the size of your wart. So you're usually going to be left with a little piece of plaster that would be about this big. You're going to put it on the wart, over the wart, and for argument's sake, we'll use my finger instead of my foot. You're going to put it on that wart before you go to sleep at night. So the plaster is going to be a little pad that you cut to the size of the wart. It's going to be helpful to put a tape over the pad and sleep in it. In the morning, take it off. Each night, the wart will just be eaten away by the plaster, and good luck.